How to take picture using voice command on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, find and tap on Accessibility. Here, scroll down and tap on Voice Control. On the Voice Control page, tap the toggle switch at the top to turn the feature on. Once enabled, go ahead and open the camera application on your device. Once the camera interface is open, frame the subject you wish to photograph. You can now use voice commands to operate the camera without touching the screen. To trigger the shutter, simply say one of the volume commands, such as turn up volume and turn the volume down. The iPhone will then automatically take the picture for you after a short countdown. The photo is now taken and automatically saved to your library. Following these steps, you can easily take a picture using voice command on an iPhone.